Hey guys, it's Miss Wilson. Guess what? I believe in you. Now look, today we're going to be working on fractions. And guess what? You are going to do fine. Alright? So what I want you to do is go get a piece of paper and 2 crayons, 2 pencils, this different colors. Okay? Hurry up. Go get you some paper. Go get you a pencil, 2 pencils, or 2 crayons, or 2 markers. Okay? Because we're going to learn how to do our fractions. Alright? I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, you got that paper? You got your markers or your pencils or your crayons? Alright, we're about to begin working on fractions. Now the first thing I want you to know about fractions is fractions have 2 names. They're called fractions and they're called ratios. They're called fractions and they're called ratios. Now, you're probably going to hear the word fractions more than ratios, but I want you to know both names, okay? As a matter of fact, tomorrow I want you to go to school and tell your teacher, I know the name, both names for fractions. Fractions and ratios. Okay? Alright, sweetie. Now, when we're talking about fractions, all we're talking about is a whole and a part of a number. Okay? So, here we have these 18 examples. We're going to learn how to work these fractions. So, we have 1/4. Alright? 1/4. The number at the top is the part. So, we're going to put it in red. 1. And the number at the bottom is the whole. That means that's the total number. Okay? So, that's the total number. Now, we're going to draw a picture. So, since we know our total number or our whole, we know that we're going to have 4 of something. Since Miss Wilson don't want to draw anything hard, we're just going to draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, the number in the red is going to tell me how many I'm supposed to color. I got 4 is my total or my whole number, and the part I'm supposed to color is only 1. So I can choose whichever one I want to color. But I can color it red. Okay? And you don't have to color the whole thing. I just color it a little bit. So this is how you draw 1/4. 1 of the 4 is colored. Good job. Now if you want to, you can make polka dots and only that 1, or you can make stripes, or you can color the whole thing. Okay? But that's how we work our fractions. Okay? So we can go to the next one. Our next number is 3/4. And you know what? Let me put right here also total number. This is the number sign. Okay? So that's total number, not hashtag. Total number. Alright? And that's all fractions are. It's a part of a number and the total number. Alright? So our next one is 3/4. Alright? The number at the bottom tells me the total. So what's our total number? 4. And what's our part? 3. That's how many we're going to color. So, again, Miss Wilson, we're just going to draw some circles. And I'm going to draw them right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's my total number. The number at the top tells me how many I'm going to color. How many am I going to color? 3 of them. This time, Miss Wilson is just going to do some stripes. I colored 3 of my 4 because that's what this fraction is telling me to do. And the way we say it is 3/4. Good job. Look, at some point, see if you can do one by yourself. All right? All right. We're going to go to the next one. The next one is 2/8. All right, so our number at the bottom is 8. Our number at the top is 2. The number at the bottom tells me how many circles or how many squares I need to draw. I need to draw how many? 8 of them. So let's draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many do I need to color? 2. Good job, because that's my part. So I'm going to just scribble in that one and scribble in this one. And so now I have 2/8. 2 of my 8 circles are colored. 2/8. Good job. You're doing really good with your fractions. Let's go to the next one. All right, our next one. And you know what? Since we got them right, we're going to put some check marks. Got that one right. Got that one right. Got that one right. Let's do number 4. We have our whole number is 2 at the bottom, and we have 1 at the top. So how many circles are we going to draw? The number at the bottom tells me 2. Good. So we're going to draw 2 big circles. 1, 2. And how many are we going to put polka dots in? 1. Good. So we just made it look different. So 1 is a polka dotted circle and 1 is a regular circle. Because this tells me that only 1 of my 2 circles has polka dots or is colored or has stripes or whatever. Okay? Good job. You can decorate your circles any kind of way. But you just only make sure you only decorate, for this problem, only 1. All right, good job. All right, let's go to the next problem. And since we got that one right, we're going to put a check mark. Let's go to the next problem. 4/5. So 5 is my number at the bottom. That means that's how many I'm going to draw total. And 4 is my number at the top. That means that's how many I'm going to color. So let's draw how many circles? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many am I going to color? The number at the top. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just wanted to skip that one. I just wanted to be different. Okay. Now we have 4/5, which means that 4 of my 5 circles are scribbled or polka dotted, striped, colored in. Okay? Good job. You're doing really good. All right, let's go to the next problem. And since we got that one right, we're going to put a check mark. All right, let's go to the next problem. It is 3/7. So how many am I going to have all together? I'm going to have 7. And how many are going to be colored in? 3. Good job. So how many circles do I have to color? The number at the bottom is going to tell me 7. Good. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And on these, I think I'm just going to kind of scribble them in. How many scribbles am I going to do? How many circles going to have scribbles? 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. And now we have 3/7. because 3 of my 7 circles are scribbled or colored, polka dotted, or striped in. Okay, you can do scribbles, you can color it all the way in, you can put polka dots, you can put stripes, okay? You can even make smiley faces, but only in 3 of them. All right, good job. Since we got that answer correct, we're gonna put a check mark and we're gonna go to the next one. You're doing really, really good. All right, the next one, problem number 7 is 4/7. All right. How many do we have total? The number at the bottom is 7, and the number at the top tells me how many I'm gonna color. 4. So I gotta draw 7 circles or something. On this one, let's do squares. I'm gonna draw 7 squares. 1, 2, or something that look like squares. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now how many are we gonna color in? The number at the top tells me. Good, we're gonna color 4 of them in. So I'm just gonna put, you know what? I'm gonna put smiley faces. How many do I have to give smiley faces? 4 of them. Good. That is 4/7. So 4 of my 7 squares have smiley faces. Good job. You're doing great with your fractions. Let's go. Oh yeah, we got the answer right. So what we got to do? Give ourselves a check. All right, we're going to go to the next ones. To the next one, problem number 8. Problem number 8, we have 3/8. The number on the bottom is 8. That tells me how many squares I'm going to have to draw. And the number on the top is 3. That tells me how many smiley faces we're going to put in those squares. All right, so let's get to drawing. How many? What's the total number of squares I need? 8. Good job. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many are going to get smiley faces? 3. Good job. So, this one has a smiley face, and this one has a smiley face, and this one has a smiley face. So, 3 of my 8 squares have smiley faces. Good job. You're doing wonderful. Oh yeah, we got the answer right. So what we got to do? Give ourselves a big fat check. Good job, sweetie. All right, what's the next problem? The next problem is what? 4/6. So, the number at the bottom tells me how many squares I need. I'm going to draw 6. And the number at the top tells me how many are going to have smiley faces. 4. So, we have to draw 6 squares with how many going to have smiley faces? 4. Good job. So, let's get easy drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many are going to have smiley faces? 4 of them. Good job. And you can choose whatever 4 you want to. I'm going to choose these 4. This one has a smiley face, and that one has a smiley face, and that one has a smiley face, and That one has a smiley face. So, 4 of our 6 squares have smiley faces. And our number is 4/6. Good job. Did we get the answer right? Yes, we did. So we're going to come all the way over here and put check marks. Put a check mark. Good job. Good job. All right, let's go to the next problem. 3/5. So our number at the bottom is how many squares we're going to draw. We're going to draw 5. And how many are going to be colored in? 3. Good job. So let's draw 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, guys, these are more like rectangles, but anyways, you know they're supposed to be squares. How many are going to have smiley faces? 3. Good job. I'm going to make my 3 in the middle have the smiley faces. So, 3 of my 5 squares or rectangles have smiley faces. And my number is 3/5. It means that 3 of my 5 have to have smiley faces or have to be colored in or have to have stripes or polka dots or something. Okay, good job. Okay. We have 2/4. All right. 4 is our number at the bottom. 2 is our number at the top. How many squares are we drawing? 4. Good job, because my number at the bottom tells me how many I have to draw. And my number at the top tells me what? How many are colored in. And so since we're putting smiley faces in the squares, how many smiley faces have to have? Do we have to have? 2. 2 squares have to have smiley faces. 1, 2. Good job. Our answer is 2/4. Good job. Did we get that answer right? We surely did. So we're going to come over here and give ourselves a big fat check mark. All right, let's go to the next problem. Our next problem is problem number 12. It looks a little different. We have 3/3. Guess what? Anytime you have the same number at the top and the bottom, we say that is 1 whole. If I have the same number at the top and the same number at the bottom, what is that? 1 whole. All right, let's try it again. If I have the same number at the bottom and the same number at the top, that is 1 whole. All right, so this one tells me that I have to have how many squares? 3. Good job. And how many are going to be colored in? 3. All right, so all of them get smiley faces. Smiley face, smiley face, smiley face. All three of them are colored, have smiley faces. So that is 1 whole. That means anytime you have the same number at the top and the same number at the bottom, is 1 whole. And it equals 1, no matter what the number is. Okay, when you're doing fractions. Same number at the bottom and same number at the top equals 1 whole. And the answer is always 1. It means the entire thing is colored. Good job. All right, did we get that one right? We surely did. Giving ourselves a check mark. All right, the next one is 5/8. Now, on these last 6, we're going to go through these really fast because I think you know how to do them now. So, we're going to go through these really, really fast. And I'm going to draw circles, okay? So, but you can draw squares. So, we have 5/8. We have 8. That's how many we're going to draw. And we got to color 5 of them. So, let's get busy. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 of them. How many are we going to color? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our answer is 5/8. Good job. Good job. Did we get that one correct? Yes, we did. Put a check. We're going to the next one. This is our speed round. Woo. Let's see how fast we can do it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Next one is 1/3. So we got 1 at the top and 3 at the bottom. The 3 tells me how many circles I'm going to have. 1, 2, 3. And how many going to have, let's do stripes. How many going to have stripes? Only 1. So, 1 of our 3 circles has stripes. Our answer is 1/3. 1 of the 3 is colored in. Uh-oh, let's hurry up. Come on, come on. Oh, we got it right, so we give ourselves a check. And Ms. Wilson got to clean up board. This is our speed round. Woo. Come on, come on. We can do this. 1/5. All right, we're going to come over here. And what's our number at the bottom? 5. And our number at the top? 1. And how many circles are we going to draw? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many are going to get a smiley face? 1. Good job. Our answer is 1/5. 1/5. 1 of our 5 circles has a smiley face. All right, come on. We're working fast. Oh, yeah, we got the answer right. Put a check mark. Let's keep moving. This is our speed round. Woo. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You got this. We got this. We got this. Look at you. Look how good you're doing your fractions. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Speed round. All right. All right. What's the next one? Ooh, big one. 7/10. So 10 is at the bottom. That's how many circles we're going to draw. And what's the number at the top? 7. So we got to draw 10 circles. And how many going to be colored in? 7. All right, let's get busy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how many are we coloring in? 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our answer is 7/10 because 7 of our 10 circles are colored in. All right, speed round. Gotta keep going. Gotta keep going. Oh, we got the answer right. We gotta give ourselves a check. Woo! Let's keep going. Let's keep moving. Miss Wilson, why are we going so fast? Because we're doing the speed round. Come on. We only got 2 more to go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Speed round, speed round. All right, the next one is 8/10. 8/9. So we have 9 at the bottom. That tells me how many circles we're going to draw. And 8 at the top. That tells me how many we're going to color in. All right, we gotta go fast. Ready, set, go. We're drawing 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many we coloring in? 8 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our answer is 8 ninths because 8 of our 9 circles are drawn in. Good job. Did we get it right? Yes, we did. Give ourselves check mark. Last one. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Speed round, speed round, speed round. Speed round, speed round, speed round. All right, we got 10 tenths. Uh-oh, this is one of them special ones. We have 10 at the bottom, and we have 10 at the top. Anytime we have the same number at the bottom and the top, it said is what? 1 whole. You're going to remember that because I'm making that goofy noise. Okay, so you got 10 at the top. 10 at the bottom. We got to draw 10 circles. And we got to color them all 10 in. That makes what? 1 whole. Anytime we have the same number at the top and the same number at the bottom, it equals 1. And what that really means is 10 goes into 10 only one time. Okay? Alright, so let's get busy because we're still on the speed round. How many we got to draw? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many we got to color? 10. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 circles. We had to color all 10 of them in. 10 over 10 or any number over itself equals what? Anytime we have the same number at the bottom and the same number at the top, it equals 1 whole. Good job. Oh yeah, we forgot to give ourselves a check mark. We got our answer right. We did good. You did good. We worked our fractions. Remember, fractions have 2 names. Fractions and ratios. Okay? A fraction is a whole number and part of a number colored or shaded or spotted or something in. So anytime you're doing fractions, just know that the number at the bottom tells you how many circles or squares or whatever object you're going to have. And the number at the top tells you how many are going to be colored or how many we're going to put polka dots in or how many we're going to put smiley faces in or whatever, however you want to decorate them. The number at the top tells me how many are going to be decorated. All right? You did good. I believe in you. You have a great day, sweetheart. All right? I'll see you next